Hi, my name is Tim Gray. I'm the Regional Executive for Vistage Worldwide out of Austin, Texas. And thank you for allowing me to have a few minutes today to talk to you about the current status of Vistage and what I think are key recommendations that we could execute and accelerate the growth of the company forward. So let's talk a little bit about the current status. Our current strategy revolves around growing 3 to 6% annually, either through organic methods and acquisitions of like companies around the globe. And this has been our strategy for the last few years. Overall, the scope of the company is that we have 22,000 members in 15 countries. And our goal really is to become the world's most trusted resource for CEOs and business executives around the world to help them become better leaders to enhance the lives of themselves and all the people that surround them. The exceptions we have around intellectual property and a couple of other ideas give us really an advantage in the marketplace. Let me talk about the intellectual property first. We have a patented formula called issue processing formula that allows our chairs inside the boardroom of our companies to execute on a formula that allows challenges and opportunities to come out and for our members actually to recommend solutions and recommendations to help these business leaders make better decisions. The two other advantages we have in the marketplace is that we have the world's largest network of business speakers here in Vistage, and we offer them up at least 8 to 12 times a year in our various meetings that we have around the country and the globe. And additionally, we have 800 chairs who are independent contractors to Vistage, but are our distribution channel of our product out into the marketplace to CEOs and key executives. These three things give us a distinct advantage. I would like to say that innovation has been a critical part of Vistage's path over the last few years, but I desperately think this is an area we need to improve in. I think we've fallen into several competency traps along the way, and we still do things pretty well, but we could be doing them better to accelerate our growth. Let me talk about what I think are three key strategic things we could do to accelerate the growth at Vistage. Number one is to change our model about the way we get chairs out into the marketplace. Currently, we bring a chair in, we train them in our academy, we send them out into the marketplace, and we expect them to sign 8 members to launch their first group. My idea here is, which is it would be a change in our architecture and our routines, is to basically seed them with 4 members that is created by one of our business development professionals and start them out with 4 and give them an advantage to getting to 8. And also give them a $15,000 bonus if they launch their group within 4 months. Our current launch timeline is about 8 to 10 months. So this would be a real acceleration for us and would help us get more groups, I believe. The second key thing from a strategy perspective I think we could do is overhaul one of our major product groupings, and that's our small business product. Currently we have a 12 meeting model. That means every month we have a meeting, and this is really a time commitment for many small business operators, and also it's almost as expensive as our CEO model, and the price becomes a barrier to entry, and I don't think many small businesses really have the willingness to pay, as we have about a 0.1% penetration rate in this area. My idea is to turn this into a 9-month meeting model, lower the price point by 40%. I think we can drive additional revenue by getting more members into our small business group. And certainly we need to test this, and my notion would be we test it in 10 markets for 1 year to see what the advantage is. Again, this is a non-consensus idea at Vistage and also would require change in architecture and our routines. Our people and our culture are in place, and I think we have the right dimensions for both of those. My third strategic idea for Vistage and recommendation is that we create a corporate sales team. This corporate sales team would allow us to go out into the marketplace and offer our 2 corporate-based products, which is our Emerging Leaders product and our Vistage Inside. Currently, we use our chairs as the only channel to distribute this product into the marketplace. I think we have a much greater chance of capturing additional value in the corporate education market if we could create such a corporate sales team at Vistage and allow them to go forth and find more customers in this market space. I believe if we can execute on these 3 ideas, we have a great opportunity to accelerate the growth of Vistage over the next 3 to 5 years. Thank you very much.